Blueberries with my money.
You tell them. Guys, I went to Trader Joe's. You're tired? Let me take a nap. First of all, disclaimer, if you hear a toddler in the background, that's my kid. And I just wanted to take this opportunity and show you what I got this trip. So I'm gonna start with this bag. It's random stuff. I got some eggs, some salad mix. This is the green leaf lettuce. I don't know carrots one. It's good though. And I got some pita pockets. These are for Olivia for lunch. You could put hummus in them, and they're like mini pita breads. And then I got my second favorite bread because they don't sell the one I liked in New York. This is the Trader Joe's multigrain bread. Yep. I think I got a hemorrhoid. Okay. Frozen blueberries. We have some, I forget things. I forget words. We got some mushrooms. These are the Baby Bella cremini. I got frozen pineapple. That's for smoothies. Oh look, Olivia, I bought you peas. Yeah. I got some peas. I got some cheese. That rhymed. I got our cilantro and jalapeno hummus. I don't know what I would do if they discontinued this. Like I don't know. And then I got some veggie kale, cashew, and basil pesto. We got some ice cream, the soy ice cream sandwiches. These are a staple. Vegan chorizo. Make sure you cut the plastic off. This one and the one in the inside before you cook it. We got some sweet potato fries. We got some agave. This is for pancakes and for teas. I got some habanero hot sauce. I got some tomato basil pasta sauce. This is one of my favorite sauces. It's creamy as hell.
Ready?
These guys, let me tell you, these are the best frozen burgers I've ever eaten in my entire life. And they're not spicy. They're called chili lime. Let me see if this is focused. They're called chili lime chicken burgers. So good. You put some avocado, you put some onions, what else do you put? Cheese, barbecue sauce on any bun that you like. So good. And they're literally the size of this box. Like, that's a big burger. It brings 4 in here, by the way. I got something new. I got butternut squash pizza crust. We've tried the cauliflower one, which is really good. It kind of tastes like arepas, so I wanted to try this one. Some almond butter. This is another staple. I run out of these really fast because I eat that for breakfast. And I got some raspberry lime sparkling water, which is another staple. I told ya there was another staple. This is gonna be a quick haul. I got some lemons. I got my favorite quinoa pasta is brown rice quinoa fusilli. So good. It doesn't taste like that gluten-y, cardboardish kind of pasta. I got some vegetable stock for soups or for chili. I keep saying I got. I'm not annoying. Bolognese ragu sauce. This is new. I've never tried this, so I'll let you know how that tastes. I got some of my favorite juice, green tea lemonades. Make sure you get the green tea lemonade, not the green tea by itself. I got some black beans for the chili. And I got some frosted maple and brown sugar shredded bite-sized wheats for Josh because he likes mini wheats. Who the heck eats this stuff? And I had gotten my cereal the other day at Publix. I got the Kellogg's, no, Special K chocolate almond cereal, and I got Olivia apple cinnamon cereal. So yeah, that was it. How much was this? That was a lot of money. Like, I feel like, oh wait, there's another bag, I think. Hold on. I knew I was forgetting something. I saw these birthday cake popcorn little bags, and I thought that Josh would like them because he loves like birthday cake flavored things. So I got him these. They were like by the register. I'll let you know how that tastes. And all of this came out to $78, and I have no idea how or why. Like, how? That was kind of crazy because it's not that many things. I mean, it was just 3 bags and they were pretty full. Anyway guys, I got a new light for my camera and it's kind of freaking bright. Like, it's crazy. So let me know if you like this lighting better. You know, let me know. And leave a comment down below if you've tried anything new at Trader Joe's, or if you've tried any of these in any specific recipe, because I be running out of recipes. Like, I don't know what to cook sometimes, you know what I'm saying? Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below. Hi, look.
Hi.
Say my name is
Mommy is
Olivia
Olivia
Lisiaga.
Lisiaga.
I love you. Say, look at my shirt.
Look at that.
Show them your shirt.
My son.
No naps, it says.
Naps.
You matching with mommy, black and white?
My.
You want to do the haul? What is this? French fries?
Fries, my.
What's this?
Your basement was my money.
You tell them. Apple?
If the apple's my money.
Listen to her, she knows. What's this?
It's my money.
Say peas.
It's my money.
It was my money. Chorizo. Say chorizo.
Sweet was money.
Okay. Say pesto.
You pass us my money.
Okay. I don't know what she's saying. Say hummus.
How is my money?
Say eggs.
Yes.
Say popcorn.
I got my
Popcorn. Say almond butter.
But it's my money.
Say ice cream.
I see my money.
Say beans.
Beans was my money.
Say pasta.
Pass my
Say burger.
Because was money.
Chicken burgers.
Your business is money.
Show them like this. Say, look. Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Thank you for watching.
Bye.
Say thank you.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Say subscribe.
See you guys. See you later.
I love you so much. You know that? Okay, let's put this stuff away. Thank you for your help. Here's your juice. And yeah, that's it. Bye. Okay guys, so we also went to Target and I wanted to do a Trader Joe's / Target haul since this video was short AF, and I just thought I would show you what I got at Target this weekend and today. So I found this really cool Beatles cup, the yellow submarine, which I have my mug that matches with it. Like, how freaking cute is this? How freaking cute. $7. That was expensive for your baby cup, but whatever. I got Olivia some sheets since we turned her bed into the big girl bed. I thought that we should get her these llama sheets to match her llama picture over her bed. I got this for an upcoming video that I'm doing. It's like an organization bin for her toy room, aka the walk-in closet. And I got her these shoes, and you're not gonna believe how much these shoes were. Did you see it already? These shoes were $2.98. Like, how? And they're so like foamy and comfortable. They're from the brand Cat and Jack, which I love. I got some deodorant, his and hers. I got, what else did we get? Okay, I forgot. I got coffee, because I can't live
What's the
without it.
bubble, Daddy? What's the bubble, Mommy? What's the bubble?
I don't know, check. Go check the room. More coffee. Wait, is it backwards? And I got, what is this? Oh, this is boring. Let's show you this. I got a towel for the bathroom. It's like a burgundy-ish color for the winter times. Because our shower curtain is pretty summerish. Theme is kind of like cactus, cacti, and like summery. So I had to get a new curtain. Look how pretty this is. Do you see those colors? It's like gray and burgundy and like a light pink. So yeah, and I got this to match it to bring out the little burgundy stripes out on that. And then the rest is boring. I got dishwashing soap for the dishwasher. I got bleach because my tub, dude, like nothing is working. Uh-oh, did it spill? It didn't even spill and I can smell it. That's horrible. Chemicals. Don't use this. And our favorite method, hand wash foaming soap. Autumn redwood scent. It smells. Let me tell you how it smells. I'm going to tell you how it smells. It smells like a, you know, like when a man takes a shower and like he shaved and then he goes like this and puts the, and then you smell like a man. That's what that smells like. And I love everything that smells like a man. I like candles and hand soap. And if I could use a body spray that smelled like a man, I would. Anyway, that is all that I got at Target. No, seriously, now that was all. So I'll see you in my next video, which is coming soon. It's going to be an organize the playroom with me kind of video. And I'll probably film it tomorrow, but I'll let you know when it is up. And I hope that you subscribe. Stay a while, hang out with me. Subscribe, like,